Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and watch the full video to hear and see all the details on this hairstyle. This hairstyle is almost similar to doing large knotless braids, saturating the entire section and then parting off. Basically I'm parting off like the first maybe like starting point into 3 little pieces, and then I'm basically stitch braiding the entire braid down. Now I know people are going to ask me in this video, how do they part to get this exact look? Please watch my entire large knotless video with details. I posted it maybe like a month ago, and it has exactly the right amount of braids and details that you'll need to make sure that you're parting and you have basically the same amount of braids. I don't think I did this any different than I would if I were to have large knotless braids. So when you're stitch braiding, you want to make sure you get a small little section. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you brush everything out. You're going to basically part this little piece I have in my hand into 3 little pieces. You want to make sure that you braid maybe like once, as I'm doing right now, maybe about 3 times. It just depends. I don't know what determines it, but usually I just do it about 2 to 3 times. Then after that, you're going to want to pick up small pieces like I'm doing. I know I'm in the way for most of this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I was just really trying to focus and get really close onto her hair to make sure that this came out almost seamless. So right here, I'm gonna let you guys know the 2 gels I'm using. I'm using the red jar from Shine & Jam, and I'm also using the, I think it's called Maximum Hold or Instant Control. I'm gonna leave a link to the exact jar down below so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I basically mixed those 2 products together just to give me this to give me that slick look on her roots. I would say when it comes to stitch braids, I'm honestly not a pro yet at it. I wouldn't rate myself like on a high level for stitch braiding, because I have seen some stitch braids that are absolutely immaculate. So I wouldn't really rate my stitch braids as being super high quality. They definitely could be better. But I'm gonna just let you guys know exactly what I do to get that stitch look. When I'm stitching, I'm basically trying to mimic, you see how like I have a section of hair in one hand. When I do those stitch braids, I kind of want to make sure the braids next to them, the stitches match up. I hope that makes sense. But basically where I'm parting, I want to part and stitch on the exact same parts and stitch I did on the braid that is like beside it, so that the stitches match, you know, like match each braid. I just used a little bit of Got To Be gel for her edges and just finished the look off. And yeah, this is basically the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it all came out and put together. And thank you guys for watching this all the way through. If you have, make sure you subscribe. Leave down in the comments below what you guys want to see next, what style you might have in mind that you don't really understand or maybe want more detail on. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.